As a parent, we all want the best for our kids. But as time, we still need some help. And for me personally, I was like, let me get the extra help.
Families are a system, and when one person is having a difficult time, generally everybody else is having a difficult time.
In-home therapy is an intensive clinical service that works to support families with a child who has struggles in the home, but also potentially at school or in the community.
As an in-home therapist, I am given the pleasure of going into people's homes, working with the families, and helping them establish goals and objectives to make their lives a little bit better. In-home therapy, IHT, is, in a word, flexible. We go into the homes, to the families, and we go in for that identified client, but we get to work with the whole family. We get to work in the area where they live.
Families that would benefit from in-home therapy are families that feel that they have tried outpatient therapy and other supports and still have a lot of needs that are unmet.
In-home therapy it's in their natural environment. It's family-based, so if one day it was just the parents and the child or the grandparents were visiting, we can work with the entire family.
It's an intensive program, but it's not really short-term. It's intensive, and if the goals and objectives are met very quickly, and we discuss discharge planning right at the get-go.
The fundamental understanding we have is that every family is unique. Every family is an expert on their own family, and that every family has something special about them that we can use to support their goals.
I was able to speak with IHT and tell them what my concerns were and what I would like to see and what I wanted to paint a picture of my family to be.
We ask, what is the reason that the family is seeking services? And secondly, what are the already existing strengths, skills family has that we can support the family in using towards those goals. Then we can help the family take that vision, their vision, and put it in a treatment plan that includes those therapeutic interventions and strategies that we can offer in support of their goals.
It takes a village. In-home therapy helps come in and bring that village together.
So care coordination is a really important aspect of in-home therapy. We recognize that individuals and families that receive in-home therapy oftentimes have many other individuals in their life who are important supports. And we want to make sure that if we're working with a family, we are helping that family coordinate all of those other providers so they're working towards the family's goals. Because at the end of the day, it's about marshaling a team for the family that can be in the family's corner as they navigate these challenges.
So if we have everybody involved in the planning, then everybody will make more progress quicker. It's meeting them where they're at and helping them transition up.
We communicated a lot, and with the ideas that they brought to me, we worked together.
IHT provided a great benefit with my son. He has sensory, and with IHT's help, my son was able to attend birthday parties. He was able to contain himself, sit nicely, and enjoy the program, and he benefited.
I've seen the change, and it's wonderful. I'm not stressed. I'm getting the help that I need, the extra help, and I see it working for me.
I'm passionate about this program because this program has helped my children, and not only my children, it's helped me. I'm able to do a better job with them. I'm able to see what they're struggling with, how to resolve it right away, and everyone's happy.
I would say it's a great thing to do. Don't think of it as, you're reaching out there just to get help. Think of it as you're helping your family. You get a little bit more educated on stuff that you may not know or understand out there. I learned a lot. We all may think we know a lot of information, but it's good to always get feedback on other things and learn from it. And for me, I'm glad that I did it because I get some extra help as well too. And to me, they come like part of my family.
I just love my job. I love being an in-home therapist. I like being part of the hope that the child doesn't have to get so bad that they have to move away from the family. I like to help mom and dad and grandma repair those relationships in the home so that the kids can live productive lives, so that mom and dad and grandma can be so happy with their life.
I've seen families achieve goals that I don't think they believed right away were possible. And that's an incredible experience.